there, I'm Dr. Deborah Croft. I will have met many of you before at Penparcau Hub, where I will have done forensic science with you perhaps, or maths or homework club, or perhaps in your local school where we'll have done environmental issues and looking at animals in the wild. But if I haven't met you before, then hello and welcome. And this is a short video introduction to a summer science project which I've been working on with Penparcau Community Forum, and also Reaching Wider, which is a Welsh government funded project working in Mid and North Wales. And so for the junior section for the summer science project, we're using kitchen science, or Gwyddoniaeth, and a Gegin. Most of the things that you'll need you'll have at home, or you'll have been supplied in a kit. The kit is an envelope with various bits and pieces inside, and looks a little bit like this. So the kit is labelled so that you know which experiment each piece you need, and also which page of the booklet that it's on. So again, let's have a short look at the booklet. So the most important thing that I'd like to say to start is that before you start, please read page 3. Page 3 has a little cloud bubble that says please read this before you start, and it has some hints and tips and some safety information that will help you before you go along. One of the things I want to say about science is that it's fun, and you can learn things, and it involves some reading, some thinking, some doing, some observing, and some writing. And you'll see that if you look in your booklet, there are some sections and some boxes with some questions that you can complete. You don't have to do this, but if you do want to complete the questions, and you don't have to fill the whole thing either, but if you want to complete some questions and then send it back or take it back to the Penparcau Hub in the forum, by the 28th of August, then I'll collect them, I'll mark them and give you some feedback, and return them with a certificate of completion. It's always good to have a certificate to say that you've taken part and shown perhaps your family or your school what you've been doing over the summer. So that's the 28th of August if you would like a certificate to say that you've taken part. As well as this short introductory video, there will be 7 others, one for each of the experiments. They'll only be short, hopefully they'll get better as I teach myself over the summer. My learning point is how to make short videos, so hopefully they will get better as we go along. I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that you find them interesting, and I hope that you learn something.